It is Louisiana Rub Granny Stop fried chicken wings, everybody. Yes, yes, yes. What we did, we went on and cleaned our little chicken parts here of the wing, and we went on and started frying. We did not season it yet because it's all flavor is going to come in afterwards. Now, we're going to fry it to perfection, and then we're going to make sure that we're going to go ahead and dry it off and make sure everything is perfect. Then we're going to go ahead and dip it into our wonderful homemade Louisiana rub right here. Look at all the flavors right here. Mama Soul Kitchen seasonings. But look at that. Just gonna shake it all up in there on this nice dried off grease, but it's still hot. And we're gonna go ahead and rub that chicken right on into the bowl. It could be a metal bowl, a plastic bowl, whatever it is, because we're gonna shake it like them professional restaurants do, you know, because this is Granny Stops. All right, so this is how we did when we shook it up a little bit in the bowl. I just want you guys to see all that flavors all over it. Look at that. We're going to show it how it is displayed on the plate. And this is how everybody's going to be drooling at the mouth at the NFL, the basketball, baseball, whatever it is. Who would not want the good old Louisiana Granny Stop wings? How about that? How about that? You guys, it's much cheaper making it yourself and on your own. But I'm going to tell you, the recipe of the flavors of the Louisiana Rub is shared in our description box below, everybody. And we have something coming up soon, which is some garlic parmesan or parmesan garlic chicken wings as well, everybody. So hit that like, share, and subscribe button below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss this. Yes, it's going to be game day here at Granny Stop of fried chicken wings. Stay tuned.